bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Talking to your child about online safety post-family link involves focusing on critical thinking and responsibility. Begin by discussing the importance of privacy, emphasizing why they should not share personal information online. Engage them in conversations about recognizing trustworthy sources and the signs of suspicious online behavior. Encourage open dialogues about their online experiences and use real-life examples to illustrate potential online risks. Empower them by setting jointly agreed-upon rules for online engagement and installing safety tools together. Instilling a sense of ownership over their digital footprint motivates responsible online behavior.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.